Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9. So here we will be doing this reading passage, that is underwater movement. This diagram was there, fill in the blanks was there, and which paragraph contains the following information was there. So these three types of questions were there, and definitely this reading passage you will find it difficult, specifically for this which paragraph contains the following information. Do practice with me. Let's start this video. Yes, before starting you can do this, you can do this also. Okay, so I will show you questions also as well as paragraph also. I know I am always in a hurry. Why? Because in actual reading practice test you will be doing like that. You have to do hurry while solving these reading passages. That's why I am in hurry. That's why I am speedily like reading all the things here. Okay, so which section contains the following information means these are the information, we have to find these information in these 8 paragraphs. So information is only 6 numbers and passages are paragraphs are 8. So it means 2 paragraphs will not be having any information. So let's start, and before that, before going to paragraph, definitely I will read all the options here and underline the things. Then I will go to paragraph, A number, B number, we will read it one by one and come back to these options. And follow my strategy, keyword strategy, follow the keyword strategy. Categorizations, types of fish, different types of fish by swimming speed. So they are known by their swimming speed. Okay. Groups of fish, you can say different name of fish may be there. An example of fish capable of maintaining fast swimming for a longer time. Okay, how fish controls stability, how fish controls stability, frequency of the muscle movement of fish. Okay, muscles. So next one is mechanical model of fish skeleton. Fish skeleton and any model may be there, but basically skeleton, muscles, muscle movement, stability, control, categorization. Maybe they can use some synonyms also. Energy storage uses in devices in fish, energy storage kind of thing may be there. So we have read. Now coming to A number paragraph. Now this is my A paragraph for this reading, and of course in A paragraph mostly they will be discussing, examiner will be discussing like introduction of the main topic, but still we can read it. The underwater holds many challenges. The most basic of these is movement. The density of water makes it difficult for animals. Forward movement is a complex interaction of additionally water itself has movement, strong currents. Okay, carry this easily, creatures variety of swimming methods used, the result is a dazzling underwater ballet. Okay, next paragraph, because nothing is matching with these options, you can match it. I am showing you full paragraph and options also. Match it please. Now B paragraph. Fish rely on their skeleton, fins, muscles to move. The primary function of skeleton again to aid movement of other parts. Their skull act as a fulcrum and their vertebrae act as levers. So column consists of series of this and this, but so tightly. So the last 2 lines also we can read it. The skull is only part of a fish, it does not move in and but acts as a point of stability for other bones. These bones cause movement of the fish. Actually here they have started with fin skeleton kind of thing. So if I match according to the keyword, a mechanical model of fish skeleton. Fish rely on their skeleton, fins and muscles to move. The primary function of skeleton is to aid movement of other parts. So can we match this? Yes, I will match this B number paragraph with 5th number. Okay. So next one is third C paragraph. We can match it. I am showing you full paragraph. So this is a bigger and longer paragraph. While bones provide the movement, okay, the muscles, now muscle word is there. So here in one muscle word was there, but yes, let's read it little bit more. Supply the power. A typical fish has hundreds of muscles running in all directions around its body. This is why a fish can turn and twist, change directions quickly. The muscles on each side of the spine contract. Okay, So I think frequency of the muscle movement of fish they are talking about. So we will just mark it C, muscle movement. Hundreds of muscle, they have started talking about muscle kind of thing. Okay. So another thing, if I am getting it, we can do it this thing. Now D paragraph. Now D paragraph, I am showing you full D paragraph. The muscles, again muscles is there, involved in swimming are of the two main types. The bulk of a fish body is composed of so-called white muscle, while the smaller much areas at the roots of the fins and in strip along the center of each flank comprises red muscle. So they are talking about two types of muscles. So muscle frequency of muscle movement of fish, no we can't say, because here two types of muscle they have started talking. And in another also, okay, let's read it little bit more. The receives a good supply of blood, contains amplier quantities of fats and glycogen and storage from glucose. So what is this? These are also energy. So glucose, sugar give us sugar give us glucose, and glucose give us energy actually, which is used for most day-to-day swimming movements. In contrast, the white muscle has a poor blood supply. Energy word is here. So we will just match it with energy storage devices in fish. So we will just match it with DC this. You can see the full paragraph and I am showing you the these options also. Match it where we have got the location. See this. See this. Okay, now next E paragraph. The fins are the most distinctive features of a fish, composed of bony spines uh, protruding from the body with skin covering them, joining them together. The fins, okay, they are talking seen in most body fins, similar flipper as seen in sharks. These usually serve as a means for the fish to swim. Now they have started talking about swim. But it must be emphasized that swimming movements are produced by the whole of the muscular body and is the only fish. The main function is to control the stability. Yes, 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 coming. Stability and direction of the fish. Here they were talking about how fish control stability. So we can go with E number paragraph. See this, we have got these words. Okay, follow keyword strategy, it is important. Now next one, F. Fins located in different places on a fish serve different purposes such as moving forward, turning, and fins, they are talking about fins where they are located, keeping an upright position. The tail fin 40% of the forward, the medians. So we are looking for some important word. Now we have left categorization of fish by swimming speed. An example of, no, now these two are left, okay, and three paragraphs are left. The yawning movement, the paired fins, pelvic, hydro control of the pitch. So what they are saying, the pictorial, so they are, I think they have described about categories of fins, because somewhere they are talking about paired fins and the median fins. I don't think so, nothing is matching with that. Okay, so I will show you the options also, please see the options. Now next one, G1. See this. The swimming speed of fish is not so fast as one would expect from watching their rapid movements in aquaria or ponds. Tuna seems, now this is category of fish. Tuna seems to be fastest at this. Trout are regarded as this. It means they are talking about categorization of fish while swimming. So this is G number. Okay, now next paragraph, that is H. Now H paragraph, one type of sailfish is considered to be fastest species of fish over short distance. One type of sailfish, an example may be there, okay, is considered to be the fastest species over short distances. We are looking for a long distance, okay, achieving 68 over a 3-second period, and anglers have recorded speeds in excess 40 mph over longer periods. Longer periods means long time. An example of fish capable of maintaining fast swimming for a long time. So this is with H number. Now coming to fill in the blanks. This is fill in the blanks, and we have question they have given 7 to 10. The diagram below gives information about fish fins and their purpose, and we know where they were talking about fish fins in this paragraph. That's why I think they have not given any answer, because they have selected this paragraph for fill in the blanks. Now we will talk about diagram. So in IELTS reading, diagram means, okay, this is a good way to, like, they have given this is tail, you can say this is wing, and see, and they have given proper these things. So we will select tail fin. These are the keywords, and the word before and after keyword, after blank, these are also important word to find location. And definitely first let's find tail and dorsal fin. So here in F paragraph they have started talking about fins. Tail fin is here, see this. Tail fin is here, tail fin, see this. Tail fin in its final lash, many contributions, as much 40% of the forward thrust. Tail fin providing part of, may contribute, same word is not given, may contribute, of word is also given. See this, of the forward thrust. But how many words we can write? So we can write no more than 3 words. So here providing part of forward thrust I have written. Yes, you will be asking why not the. I think they are, because we are not writing any sentence, and here we are just filling the body parts of fish. Okay, that's why we have removed it. And next one is, first we will be doing 7 and then 8 and then 9th and 10th. Okay, dorsal word I can see here. The median fins, that is dorsal anal and ventral I am looking for movement, so movement word is here in this. So rolling and yawning word will come here in this blank. So yawning, and because movement word was there before that, so I have filled it. Now 9th number, fins combined with paired fins pushing up and down. So fins combined with. So next one is same line we have left. The paired fins, pectoral and pelvic, act as this hydroplanes and controls of the pitch of ash, causing it downwards and upward. So what we are looking? Pushing up and down. The paired, and I think this pair will come here, because here also this pair was there and pair was there. So we will just fit it like that. The paired fins. No. Fins combined with, oh, paired word is already given. Paired fins pushing up and down. So paired fins is already written, act as hydroplanes. So yes, we will write this pectoral and pelvic act. For up and down they have written upwards and downwards they have written. Now 10th number, paired fins for dash movements additionally. Additionally, paired fins for movement. Which movement they are asking? This till now we have read. Now the pectoral fins lie in front of the center of gravity and being readily mobile are chiefly responsible for sending the ash up or down. The paired fins, this is fins, are also means additionally the means by which the fish slows down and stops. Slows down and stops. So I will show you the blank again. So this is the location. Paired fins are also means additionally, means by which fish slows down. This is also movement name. Slows down and stops. So if we write all three, or this is all forward, slows down and stops. So it means we can write slows and stops. Movement. for slows and stops movement additionally. Okay, now next question, 7 to 10 number. Next question says complete the summary below using no more than 3 words. Here also 3 words from the passage for each blank. So 2 types of muscles. We know where they were talking about muscles. So 2 types word was in this paragraph. See this. Muscles. So muscles, 2 types of muscles. See this. 2 types word is there are involved in fish swimming. The majority of fish body comprises the majority is composed of white muscle. The bulk means majority. Okay, so the bulk means majority. Here we will write white muscle. So next one, and the red muscle only at the roots. Okay, red muscle only at the roots of the fin and strip along the center of each flank. For most of its routine movement, the fish uses a lot of its saved in body. Daily movement. Daily is day to day. Okay, the red muscle receives a good supply of blood and contains ampler quantities. See this, uses a lot of its. It means this will come. Ampler quantities means a lot of its. Fat and glycogen we can write. Okay, the storage form of glucose which is used for most day to day slow movement. Routine movement, fish uses a lot of fat and glycogen we can write here. Now next one is 13th. Saved in body, and white muscle is mostly used for short term fast swimming such as escaping from. Now white muscle, fast swimming is here, such as is mostly used for short term. Short term word is also here, and where is escaping? It might seem that or the body of an animal which adopted so efficiently of its environment should be composed almost entirely of a type of muscle it rarely uses. However, this auxiliary power pack carried by fish is crucial significance of the fish is threatened by a predator, for instance, which enables the fish to swim rapidly away from danger. So I think escaping from predator may be talking as predator, we can write it.